So this is the next question. So what question says is we have a, so this is the next question. So question is like we are given with list of integers. We have to find the minimum number, maximum number, sum of all the numbers, average of the numbers, count of the numbers, all those operations. So normally, right, to do all these things, we have to basically have kind of a five streams we have to create and perform the operation. Is there any better way we can do? Like when we have to find out some kind of a statistics on list of numbers, can we do with some other better way? Yes, there is a special function from the streams which will help to achieve all these things. Let's see how to do it. So we are given with basically a list of numbers. We have to find minimum, maximum, sum, etc. As I said already, like this requires five different basically streams. We have to create five different streams and perform operation. So let's take the numbers and let's start streaming it. So here we have to map it to IntStream. This is one of the prerequisite. After that, we have function called summary statistics. This does all the magic. So here I'll just run the logic, just end. So this summary statistics does all the magic. I have to store this result. Let me hover on it, and it is saying it's not getting used. So what we have to do is we have to create object with it in summary statistics, and maybe I'll call it as stats. So let's try to print and see. I'll not cover all, maybe I'll cover few. So one is minimum, or let's see, maybe we'll cover all so that you will understand different functions it supports. Minimum is simple. Let's take the stats. So basically get min, it does the minimum. So next we are interested in the maximum. That's also straightforward. Get max. And next is the average, sum average count. So next is sum. So there is a sum related function. Sum. Next is average. So there is average related function also. And the last one is count. So let's do that. Get basically count also. So let's try to run it and see what it prints. Boom. So basically it has identified the minimum, maximum, sum, average, count, etc. So with just one summary statistics, you will get all this bunch of things. So basically we learned how to use summary statistics. Mostly we covered majority of the functionalities it provides. So if you need some kind of a statistics on this list of numbers, right, this is one of the best utility function I would say you can use it. I hope you understood this clearly.